Cachoeirinha, tem aqui um pequeno riacho, só para jogar uma água. Seguimos trilha Lagoinha. E aqui tem um mirantezinho, Ilha do Campeche, lá atrás a Joaquina, não sei se dá pra ver. Seguimos aqui cansados, mas em frente.
Said we're jamming on this lonely night, not looking for no complications. Almost every fight I ever had was just lack of communication. Said we all just gotta get along by bunk occasion ordinations, yeah. Cause I northwest, east, south, left, right, up, down, it's all connected. Me, you, him and her, everybody all around the world, time to get the message, yeah. And all I wanna do is a jam with you. Say all I wanna do is a jam with you, yeah. Say jam with you, jam with you, jam with you.
Hey, stop, rewind, bring it back right on time. That beat so nice that we must jam it down for them twice. Jah is right, best believe Jah have a might. If he did not, there would be no jamming tonight. So we picking up Jah and we picking up the righteous too. This jamming ain't fun, you best watch Jah next move. Jam a little tune next time you feel a bit blue, and see exactly how Jah's coming through. Hey.
All I wanna do is a jam with you. Say all I wanna do is a jam with you. Say jam with you, jam with you.
Just wanna jam with you. Sweet 16s like candles do. 6 strings on my weapon, never ever let them damage you. You just keep your fam with you. Stepping out like Gamma Cruz.
Toda aventura tem seu retorno, e a nossa é agora, nosso retorno para casa. Já estamos sendo procurados em Itapema, então estamos voltando às pressas para a nossa civilização. Partiu.
Whatever you need,
all I wanna do